Itanong mo sa akin kung sinong aking mahal.
Itanong mo sa akin, sagot ko'y di magtatagal.
Pakiusap ko sa'yo, lubayan mo si Yaya.
Toga, utak, biyak, walang utak! Alam mo, kanina ka pa eh. Sige, subukan mo!
Ma'am! Ma'am! Mami! Mami! Mama! Mama! Mama!
What?
Hi!
If I see any kitty cats on Halloween, I'm gonna cut you and eat you like a piece of cheese.
I saw the boogeyman. I saw him outside.
There was nobody outside.
There was
What do you look like?
the boogeyman.
What's 9 plus 10?
21.
You stupid.
Ang ganda ko.
Wow, kapal na mukha mo, man.
Uy, ang kapal mo ah.
Saksa lang ko ano-ano. Sabi niya, Mom, I hope you don't mind. Sabi ko,
Okay.
yes. Hilo-hilo pa ako ah. I just have to know, are you pregnant? Sabi ko, no, I'm not pregnant, Doc. Nakakaloka.
Gusto ko sanang humingi sa'yo ng sorry.
Sorry?
Nung tayo.
There was never an us.
Oh, ba't ganyan ang tingin mo? Lalaban ka? Huwag mo akong pilitin, Clara.
Ilabas ang helicopter. Mamamasyal ako.
It's helicopter.
Helicopter!
Helicopter.
Jeep na lang.
Badan mo kang kau! Hey, kala aku ni jadi mamantua kau, bukan tangan dia aku bagi tau. Ni, tumben kaki ni singgah kamu kang kau. Das
Cause I'm feeling like I'm running and I'm feeling like I gotta get away, get away, get away. Better know that I don't and I won't ever stop. Cause you know I gotta win every day.
Ito ang tanong mo. Naniniwala ka ba sa forever?
Hindi po kasi kakabreak na po namin nung 23. Wala pong forever.
Naniniwala na ako sa forever.
Walang forever.
Nang may love ako sa'yo, kala ko'y pag-ibig mo ay tunay. Pero hindi nagtagal, lumabas din ang tunay na kulay. Ang iyong kilay, mapagmataas at lagi namiminta.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, drink. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, drink.
Hindi ko kailangan ng tissue. I don't need tissue. Please stop judging me. Please stop!
Meron akong bagong favorite. The new chicken McDo.
Kung gusto mong lumigaya ang iyong buhay, humanap ka ng pangit at ibigin mong tunay.
Tukot-tikot-titap, bumubusi-busilak, ganyan ang indak ng mga bombilya.
Rogelio, makakarating ba tayo sa tamang panahon?
Hit me 1 time. Hit me 2 times. Hit me 3 times. Lego.
Ate! 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 What? This food ka?
Hey, I just met you, and this is crazy, but here's my number, so call me maybe.
Hit me 1 time. Hit me 2 times. Hit me 3 times. Lego.
Oh my God, he's dying! Call 911!
What's the number? Really, nigga? What's the number?
Chinese females moan like, stir fry, right? Chicken monster, stir fry, right? Chicken wing.
Do you think I'm cute? Yes or no? Yes?
Pinagpalit ka at hindi ka na mahal.
Ang ina mo ah.
Bakit ako?
Uy, di tangina niya.
Hello, it's me.